What if plugging in your phone to charge could actually make you money? Sounds wild, but it's real. No selling, no surveys, no crypto mining. Just a few legit apps that pay you for charging your device. These apps display ads or run simple tasks on your lock screen while charging, and you get a cut of the revenue. It won't make you rich, but it's a super easy way to earn a little extra cash or gift cards for something you already do. Perfect for anyone on a tight budget, with an old phone, or just always charging. Today, we'll break down the top 3 apps, how they work, and which one might be best for you. Don't forget to get our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free Make Money report today to learn how to turn your personal phone into a mini money machine. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description box to get it right away. Number 1 phone app that pays you to charge your phone is the Mode Earn app. This app, formerly known as Current Rewards, has undergone a transformation, emerging even better than before. It's consistently a top pick for generating passive income directly from your phone, offering a seamless way to earn. One of its standout features? It pays you simply for charging your phone. But that's not all. You can also earn by listening to your favorite music, or even while indulging in a bit of mobile gaming. And there are even more ways to accumulate points. While all the earning options are great, the charging feature is the real star, offering effortless income. To get started, simply install the app, then grant the necessary permissions so it can track your charging activity. And from that moment on, every time you charge your phone, a custom lock screen will appear, displaying a small, unobtrusive advertisement. For every minute your phone is plugged in and charging, you'll steadily accumulate points. It's a completely passive way to earn, requiring absolutely no effort on your part. Here's a pro tip to maximize your earnings. You can stack your rewards by playing music overnight while your phone is charging. This allows you to rack up double the points, boosting your overall income. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for real cash via PayPal, or choose from a variety of gift cards, including popular options like Amazon and Target. You can even treat yourself to a coffee with a Starbucks gift card. The best part is that they offer low payout thresholds, so you can access your earnings quickly. The app itself boasts a clean and intuitive interface. It's also remarkably reliable, ensuring a smooth and consistent earning experience. And when you're ready to cash out, the process is incredibly quick. You won't be stuck waiting months to receive your hard-earned rewards. Currently, the Mode Earn app is exclusively available for Android devices. But if you're looking for a truly set-it-and-forget-it app, one that actually delivers on its promise to pay you, the Mode Earn app is incredibly hard to beat in the realm of passive income apps. Imagine waking up every morning to a fully charged phone and a little extra cash in your account. With benefits like these, what's not to love about the Mode Earn app? When it comes to versatility and ease of use, Mode Earn app truly reigns supreme as the king of passive phone hustles. So why not let your phone work for you, earning while you sleep? Don't forget to grab our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free and included proven Make Money apps that can pay you today report now. You can scan the QR code in this video or click the link in the description box to start making some extra cash today. Number 2, phone app that pays you to charge your phone is Cash Magnet, an intriguing option in the realm of passive income apps. This one is exclusively an Android-only app, so iPhone users, unfortunately, will have to sit this one out. Cash Magnet is particularly perfect for those old Android phones that are just collecting dust in your drawers. Give them a new lease on life. The beauty of Cash Magnet lies in its simplicity. It runs quietly in the background, without interfering with your daily phone usage. It works by automatically browsing websites and clicking on ads, all without you having to lift a finger. Think of it as a tiny robot working for you. All this happens while your phone is idle and charging, making it a truly passive way to earn. It's like getting paid to let your phone rest. The best strategy is to set it up on a spare device, one you're not actively using. Simply connect it to your Wi-Fi network, plug it into a charger, ensuring it stays powered, and then just let it earn points for you, day in and day out. Once it's set up, no further interaction is needed. It runs completely hands-free. The longer it runs consistently, the more it contributes to your earnings. The more points you accumulate, the closer you get to cashing out those rewards. And as you use the app, you can level up your account, unlocking even greater earning potential. Leveling up translates directly into faster earnings, allowing you to reach your payout goals more quickly. The user interface is quite basic, focusing on functionality over flashy design. But what it lacks in aesthetics, it more than makes up for in stability and reliability. You can count on it to run smoothly. It truly embodies the just set it and forget it philosophy, making it ideal for passive income generation. Now let's be realistic. The earnings are modest, so don't expect to get rich overnight. However, the real power of Cash Magnet comes into play when you utilize multiple devices. By running Cash Magnet on several phones simultaneously, you can significantly build a small but consistent passive income stream. When it's time to cash out, you have several options, including PayPal, Amazon gift cards for your online shopping needs, or even Bitcoin for those interested in the world of cryptocurrency. The app also boasts a low minimum payout threshold, meaning you can access your earnings relatively quickly. So if you happen to have an old Android phone lying around, not being used, Cash Magnet is definitely a must-try application to consider. It offers a simple and effortless way to generate passive earnings without any active involvement. While it's not the flashiest app on the market, it effectively turns your unused tech into a source of income. It's a practical way to convert idle devices into real money. Cash Magnet is a true passive income machine, working tirelessly in the background. It's a great way to repurpose those old Android phones and put them to work earning you money. Number 3. Phone app that pays you to charge your phone is Charge Cash, an app that offers a unique way to make a little extra money. It's simple, direct, and focused, cutting through the clutter of many other reward apps. The core concept revolves around paying you for simply charging your phone. It's a brilliant idea, really. Just plug in your phone and you'll get a lock screen ad. These ads are unobtrusive and a key part of how the app generates revenue to pay you. Then, watch your points grow in real time as your phone charges. It's a satisfying visual confirmation that you're earning. There are no extra features or complicated setup processes to worry about. You just install the app, grant the necessary permissions, which are clearly explained, and start earning every single time you charge your phone. It's that easy. This makes it perfect for minimalists who appreciate a clean and uncluttered experience. It's also great for anyone wanting a truly no-fuss, passive way to earn a bit of extra cash. And there's a bonus. Charge Cash includes a daily spin wheel, giving you another avenue to boost your earnings. Use the spin wheel for extra points or even surprise prizes. So don't forget to use it every day to maximize your rewards. When you're ready, you can cash out your earnings directly to your PayPal account. Charge Cash offers a low payout threshold, making it easier to access your earnings quickly. The minimum payout is usually around $5, which is quite achievable. And the best part? No gift cards or unwanted products to deal with. It's just real money, pure and simple. The money is directly sent to your PayPal account for you to use as you wish. Charge Cash is an ideal choice if you're looking for a straightforward and reliable app that does exactly what it promises. It quietly earns in the background without requiring constant attention or interaction. For maximum earning potential, combine it with other passive income apps. This will create even more streams of passive income, boosting your overall earnings. It's simple, effective, and incredibly easy to use, making it a great addition to your earning app collection. These apps are some of the best we know that pay you for charging your phone. Mode for versatility, Cash Magnet for old devices, and Charge Cash for simplicity. Bonus tip: don't overwork your main phone's battery for a few bucks. Use Wi-Fi, avoid overheating, and if possible, dedicate an old phone to these apps. That way, you protect your daily device and turn unused tech into passive income. Want more tips? Check out my free weekly newsletter, Make Money with Phone. Link in the description or scan the QR code. I share new app finds and strategies every week, all tested and legit. No spam, just actionable ideas to boost your earnings. Not ready to get our Make Money with Your Phone newsletter yet? No problem. Watch this video next. We double dare ya.